Welcome to Deep Tech Decoded, where leveraging innovation starts with understanding it. AI alignment is one of those topics that manages to be deeply technical, wildly philosophical, politically spicy, and yet somehow still under discussed in the mainstream circles. The pace at which the newer and the more advanced models are being released makes it feel like we are building jet engines mid flight, while also trying to debate the in flight movie's moral compass. We are hurtling forward so fast, we barely get time to pause and ask, are we steering this thing in the right direction? Or more precisely, can we even agree on what right means? Take constitutional AI, a promising approach where the model critiques itself based on a set of guiding principles. It sounds great, but let the AI be its own critique, guided by a constitution. That's from Anthropic. Wait, whose constitution? And that's the point. Different constitutions is equal to different value systems. How do we design systems that allow pluralism, a world where models can align with a range of reasonable values, rather than hard coding a single worldview? And then there's a challenge of values themselves. Can we even define human values clearly enough for a machine to learn them? And even if, there would be many ethical trade offs that are complex and context dependent. Are we trying to oversimplify complex human values? How do we ensure value representation is machine learnable and stable? And also, how do you train today's, forget about futures, advanced models to behave exactly as per our benign intents? Do we need to build an advanced model to test its safety, to regulate it? Is scalable alignment even technically feasible, especially at this pace? Now, throw in some real world friction. Try convincing the stakeholders of hypothetical risks while investments are very real and the returns so promising. Massive capital is in play, and no one wants to pause the racehorse mid race. Who exactly has authority, or should I say courage, to say maybe not yet to a new model's release? As Nick Bostrom asked in his book Superintelligence, and I quote, should we not give some thought to the art of owl domestication and owl taming first, before we bring such a creature into our midst? Unquote. Because once that owl takes off, we better hope it's not allergic to humans. Thanks for tuning in and hope you enjoyed this exploration. Let me know if you need any tweaks or additional content. You can reach me at minu@minuserene.com. My Twitter handle is minuserene and my contact details are here. Leave a review, share the episode, and let's keep this conversation going. Cheers.